Good morning, tech enthusiasts everywhere. Today is June 29th, and you're about to become just a little bit smarter, all by simply listening to your favorite Smarter Phones Now podcast. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this podcast. And thank you. The freedom of unlocked phones, your guide to any carrier. Alright, let's talk about something truly liberating in the world of smartphones, using an unlocked phone on any carrier you choose. It's a game changer, giving you incredible flexibility and often saving you money in the long run. What is an unlocked phone? First things first, what exactly is an unlocked phone? Well, most phones you buy directly from a carrier like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile are locked to their network. This means they're designed to only work with that specific carrier's service. An unlocked phone, on the other hand, is free from these restrictions. It's a device that can work on any compatible cellular network. Think of it like a universal key for your phone service. Why go unlocked? So, why would you want an unlocked phone? The biggest reason is flexibility. You're not tied down to a long-term contract or a specific carrier. This means you can shop for the best deals. If another carrier offers a better plan, you can simply switch your SIM card and go. No need to buy a new phone. Avoid bloatware. Unlocked phones typically come with a cleaner operating system, free from pre-installed apps that carriers often had. Travel internationally with ease. When you're abroad, you can pop in a local SIM card and pay local rates, avoiding expensive international roaming charges. Higher resale value. An unlocked phone is more appealing to a wider range of buyers, so you'll likely get more for it if you decide to sell or trade it in. How to use your unlocked phone on any carrier. Now, for the main event, how do you actually use your unlocked phone with the carrier of your choice? It's surprisingly simple, but there are a few key steps. Check for compatibility. This is crucial. While most unlocked phones are designed to work across various networks, there are two main types of cellular technology, GSM and CDMA. Most modern unlocked phones are universal and support both, but it's always a good idea to double-check that your phone is compatible with your desired carrier's network. You can usually find this information in your phone's specifications or on the carrier's website. They often have a tool where you can enter your phone's IMEI number to check compatibility. Get a SIM card from your chosen carrier. Once you've confirmed compatibility, you'll need a SIM card from the carrier you want to use. You can typically get these directly from the carrier's store or order one online. If you're switching from another carrier, you can often keep your existing phone number by porting it over during the activation process. Insert the SIM card, power off your unlocked phone. Locate the SIM card tray, which is usually on the side of the phone and requires a small tool often included with your phone or a paperclip to open. Carefully insert your new carrier's SIM card into the tray and push it back into the phone. Power on and activate. Turn your phone back on. In many cases, your phone will automatically detect the new SIM card and connect to the network. You might receive a few prompts to set up your carrier's services. If you're transferring a number, there might be a short waiting period for the number to fully port over. In some instances, you might need to manually enter your carrier's APN access point name settings for data and picture messaging to work. Don't worry, your carrier's customer support can easily guide you through this if needed. And that's pretty much it. With an unlocked phone, you're in control. You have the freedom to pick and choose the best plan for your needs, whenever you want.